Welcome to the last part of our HVACDirect.com Getting Started series, Buying Your System. As you've been watching this series, we've shown you how to save money by buying direct and how to build your shopping list by finding the system that works for you. Now you are ready to make your purchase. And this video will explain how to shop the HVACDirect.com website with your list. For this example, we're going to use a furnace and air conditioning system as the units to be replaced. Here's the scenario. In our 1,800 square foot home in Ohio, we were happy with the way the system heated and cooled. But recently, the electric and gas bills have gone up rapidly and the house isn't cooling or heating as well as it used to. We've had it serviced several times, but the time has come to replace the system. We'll begin by creating our shopping list. We've already checked the owner's manual on the existing units and know that we have a 100,000 BTU, 92% efficient natural gas upflow furnace with a single speed blower. This is paired with a 3-ton 10-SEER air conditioner. Since we were happy with our heating and air conditioning when it was in its prime, we've decided to straight up replace the system. If we can lower our energy bills, that would be a huge plus. We go to HVACDirect.com and scroll down to Heating and Cooling Systems. We can also get there by hovering over Cooling or Heating in the top navigation and clicking on Furnace and Air Conditioner Systems. You'll notice that there are thousands of items to browse. Before you get overwhelmed, have a look at our smart filtering on the left. Most filter categories have a "What's this?" or "Play video" button to explain what that feature means in case you're not sure. Since we know what we need from our shopping list, let's enter some of these values in the different filter categories. Start with furnace efficiency. We'd like a more efficient furnace, so click on 97%. The list is shrunk to less than 500. Next, we know we need 100,000 BTUs, so click that. The list is now down to under 100. We also need a 3-ton air conditioner, so click that next. We'd like this to be more efficient also, so click on 16 to 17 SEER to filter the list down further. Next, choose dedicated upflow because we know that is what we need. The list is now down to a manageable number of items. If you made a mistake along the way, just unclick the filter you want to reset or click the Clear All link at the top of the filter list to reset all the filters. From here, you can hover over each system image to see the quick specs or compare the remaining systems by adding each item to a compare list or add items to a wish list to refer to at a later time. Once you find the system that best matches your shopping list, view its details. All the items included with the system will be shown as well as additional images and videos. If that's the right system, just click the Add to Cart button. From here, the checkout procedure is just like most other online shopping experiences. Thanks for watching our Getting Started video series. Check out our other videos about a wide range of HVAC topics in our information library and on our YouTube channel. Be sure to like us and subscribe. If you need any further assistance or have additional questions, please give us a call, send us an email, or chat with us online.